Jessica Moore with Rovithis Realty, your real estate resource. And I'm so excited to showcase my newest listing here in Windsor, Connecticut. This home has been completely updated from top to bottom. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for joining me on your personal tour of 68 Rood Ave, Windsor, Connecticut. For any questions regarding this listing, or if you're thinking of listing your house, please contact me at the number below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.